ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। इसमें वॉइस क्लियर नो?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, we can hear you well.
Yeah. Just a quick summary of showing that the terms which we must be familiar with. Pratipadikam, dhatu, namapadam, kriyapadam, pratyaya, subantam, tigantam. These terms we must be familiar with. Pratipadikam is noun base, dhatu is verbal base, namapadam is noun form, kriyapadam is verbal form, and pratyaya is suffix. Subantam is another name for namapadam. Supratyas, a collection of supratyas added to the noun base will result in namapadam called subantam. Because subantam ending with supratya, therefore it is called subantam. Similarly, tingantam. Tingantam is collection of ting pratyas. The pratyas added to dhatu to get the verbal form, and they are called tingantam. Another name for kriyapadam is tingantam. Then we saw the different pratipadikams. To start with, we are seeing only Pullinga Pratipadikam, and Pratipadikam in gender classified into Ajanta and Halanta Pratipadikam. Ajanta is the Pratipadikam ending with vowels. Halanta the Pratipadikam ending with consonants. These are the names, just you can remember. Ajanta, Halanta. Then the description of Pratipadikam, how to describe a Pratipadikam that we saw. The Pratipadikam can be defined based on what it ends with. Anta, Akaranta, Ikaranta, and the gender, Pullinga, Strilinga, iti. So Akaranta, Pullinga, Shabda, the description we have seen, Ikaranta we have seen, Akaranta, Ikaranta. Then after that we started learning the declension of the Akaranta, Pullinga, Shabda. To start with, we started with the learning of Prathama Vibhakti, only the first case. Because we know 7 plus 1 cases are there, 8 cases. So those things, those cases one by one we will learn. Now let us be familiar with the Prathama Vibhakti, Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. For that we can take Rama Shabda as the master Shabda. If you know Rama Shabda, any Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, you will be able to declare. And the declension of Rama Shabda for its Prathama Vibhakti is Rama Ramo Ramaha. Description is Akarantaha Pullinga Rama Shabda. The declension is Ramaha. Ramaha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. One Rama.
Guruji, again it's breaking.
It will become all right when I continuously speak. Okay. So Ramaha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, one Rama. Rama is Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. It is 2 Ramas. It means 2 Ramas. Bhagavachanam is Ramaha. Many Ramas. It will break, but after some time it will become all right. Once the class starts, it will become all right. When you start reading, it will become all right.
Okay, Guruji.
You understand what I'm saying, right? Up to now.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, we understand you.
Yes, very good. This is an unavoidable problem. This reading, I think you did in last class. Ganesha, Acharya, all this Shabda you declare. Okay. So remember, Rama Shabda is Ramaha Ramo Ramaha for its Prathama Vibhakti. Same way, now we are going to fill up the blanks here. Udaharanam drishtvā dristhasthānāni purvayata. This is where we have to start. Here, Shabda is given. Shabda is Rama. Its ekavachanam rupam, the form of ekavachanam singular is Ramaha. Dvivachanam is Ramo. Bhagavachanam is Ramaha. So it's given. So similarly, for the other Shabda, we have to do the declension. We have to supply. We have to do the missing form. Fill in the blanks. So that is what we are going to do today. Start with, and after that, other things we will see one by one. Each one of you can do one sentence. Aposhti.
Yes, Guruji. Gajaha.
Add the description of the Pratipadikam.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Gaja Shabdaha, Gajaha, Gajo, Gajaha.
Good. Continue.
The next is Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Ashva Shabdaha, Ashvaha, Ashvo, Ashvaha.
Please continue.
Next one is Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Bala Shabdaha, Balaha, Balo, Balaha.
Yes. Please
The
continue.
last one is Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Shunaka Shabdaha, Shunakaha, Shunako, Shunakaha.
I think you all know the meaning. The meaning also you can try to know. Gaja is elephant. Ashwa is
Yes. Horse.
Shunaka
Boy.
is- What is Shunaka?
That's I know. I don't know.
Shunaka is dog. The next one, please read. Kosh.
Yes. The next one is Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Krishaka Shabdaha, Krishakaha, Krishako, Krishakaha.
Typically, you can read.
जी गुरुजी। अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गायक शब्दः गायकः गायकौ गायकाः। नेक्स्ट वन इज अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पाचक शब्दः पाचकः पाचकौ पाचकाः। नेक्स्ट इज अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः धनिक शब्दः धनिकः धनिकौ धनिकाः।
Yes, good. Gayaka is singer. Pachaka is cook. Dhanika is rich person.
Right.
Dhanavan, the one who is wealthy. Okay. The next one you can continue. Deepika, you read, please.
Yes. अकारान्तः
Read this also.
अधोदत्तानां पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दानां एकवचनं द्विवचनं बहुवचनं च लिखत।
Meaning is write the singular, dual, and plural of the following Pullinga Shabda.
शब्द यस
And take the you can do.
हाँ अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः मयूर शब्दः मयूरः मयूरः मयूरौ मयूराः। अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः वानर शब्दः वानरः वानरौ वानराः। अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः रमण शब्दः रमण रमणौ रमणाः।
Ramanau,
रमणः रमणौ रमणाः। अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः कपोत शब्दः कपोतः कपोतौ कपोताः। अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः जी
Akarantah. Visarga.
अकारांत यस अकारांतः पुल्लिंगः छात्र शब्दः छात्रः छात्रौ छात्राः
Mayura is peacock. Anara is monkey. Ramana is the name of the person. Kapota is pigeon. Chatra is student. Male student. Now next one. Paruji, you can read next 5.
हाँ अकारन्तः बालक बालकः शब्दः
This Balak.
बाल
Balaka
ba-
Sabdaha.
बालकः शब्दः. It is ba, no?
It is ba, not
हाँ बालक शब्दः बालक बालको
not ba.
बालक
It is Balaka. It is ba, not ba.
okay, because the stroke is not there in between.
Look is there. It is very thin. You can see that.
बालक बालको बालकः.
Balaka, Balakau.
हाँ बालको बालकः.
Balaka. Visarga must be pronounced.
बालक बालकः बालको बालकः
Balakaha, not Balakaha.
बालकः. अकारन्तः चालकः शब्दः चालक. हाँ
Pullingaha.
अकारन्त पुल्लिंग चालकः शब्दः.
You are dropping. Why do you drop? Pullingaha.
पुल्लिंगः पुल्लिंगः चालक शब्दः चालक चालक चालकः कः चालको चालकाः. अकारन्तः पुल्लिंगः पीक शब्दः पीक पीक.
Achala.
अचल ओके ओके. अचल शब्दः अचलः अचलो अचलाः. अकारन्तः पुल्लिंगः पीक शब्दः पीकः पीको पिकाः.
It is not Pika. It is Pikaha. Pikau. Pikaha. Aswa.
पिकाः पिकाः. अकारन्तः पुल्लिंगः काक शब्दः काकः काको काकाः.
Next person.
अकारान्त पुल्लिंग.
Kumar, you can read the next one. 5. Next person. You can read. You can read.
यस जी. अकारान्तः पुल्लिंगः शिव शब्दः शिवः शिवौ शिवाः. अकारान्तः पुल्लिंगः विश्व शब्दः विश्वः विश्वौ विश्वाः. अकारान्तः पुल्लिंगः नर शब्दः नरः नरौ नराः. अकारान्तः पुल्लिंगः मनुष्य शब्दः मनुष्यः मनुष्यौ मनुष्याः. अकारान्तः पुल्लिंगः पितामह शब्दः पितामहः पितामहौ पितामहाः.
Good. Next person.
Guruji, will it come Manushyaha, Naraha or Naraha?
What is that? I didn't get you.
See, Naraha, Narau, Naraha or Naraha?
Naraha. Why Naraha?
No, because these people, they are saying Naraha. That's why I was wondering.
No, she's saying correctly. Naraha, Naru, Naraha. Manushyaha, Manusho, Manushyaha. She said. This Bhagavachanam. I'm asking Bhagavachanam, right?
Yes, right. Guruji.
Bhagavachanam, Naraha. That's what she is.
Right. Okay, thank you.
Next person. Next 5.
पौत्र
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पौत्रशब्दः पौत्र पौत्रौ पौत्राः
पौत्र not पौत्र पौत्रः
पौत्रः पौत्रौ पौत्राः स्यूत अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः शूतशब्दः शूत शूतौ शूतः शूतौ शूताः ग्राम अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः ग्रामशब्दः ग्रामः ग्रामौ ग्रामाः चन्द्र अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः चन्द्रशब्दः चन्द्रः चन्द्रौ चन्द्राः गुडाकेश अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुडाकेशशब्दः गुडाकेशः गुडाकेशौ गुडाकेशाः
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः भारवाह शब्दः भारवाहः भारवाहौ भारवाहाः भारवाहाः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः निपुणशब्दः निपुणः निपुणौ निपुणाः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः वेदान्तशब्दः वेदान्तः वेदान्तौ वेदान्ताः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः अग्रदीपशब्दः अग्रदीपः अग्रदीपौ अग्रदीपाः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गेन्दुकशब्दः गेन्दुकः गेन्दुक
If you say Genduk, it becomes Halanta.
Okay. Halanta, okay.
If you say Genduk, it will become Halanta, ending with consonant. It is
Genduka. Gendukaha, Gendukau, Gendukaha.
Yes,
What is the meaning of Gudakesha?
Gudakesha is the name of Arjuna, the one who has conquered sleep.
Okay. Thank you.
Next person.
Yes, Guruji. अकारान्तक पुल्लिङ्गः वैशानिक शब्दः वैज्ञानिक शब्दः
Scientist it means.
वैज्ञानिकः वैज्ञानिकौ वैज्ञानिकाः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः कैवर्तक शब्दः कैवर्तकः कैवर्तकौ कैवर्तकाः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः चित्रपतङ्ग शब्दः चित्रपतङ्गौ चित्रपतङ्गाः
Chitrapatanga means butterfly.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तैलप शब्दः तैलपः तैलपौ तैलपाः
You know what is Tailapa is?
Cockroach.
Cockroach, yes.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः धार्मिक शब्दः धार्मिकः धार्मिकौ धार्मिकाः
Next person.
Brahmana Akarantaha Pullingaha Brahmana Shabdaha Brahmanaha Brahmanau Brahmanaha Shira Akarantaha Pullingaha Shira. Oh yes sir. Yes sir. Shira Akarantaha Pullingaha Shira Sabdaha Shiraha Shirau Shiraha Veera Akarantaha Pullingaha Veera Shabdaha Veeraha Veerau Veeraha Pandava Akarantaha Pullingaha Pandava Shabdaha Pandavaha Pandavau Pandavaha Makara Akarantaha Pullingaha Makara Shabdaha Makaraha, Makarau, Makaraha.
Raha. Now the next one. Each one of you can read again. 4. Koshi, please read. And please read the heading also.
Arudattanam Pumlinga Padanam Vachanam Likata.
Adodattanam. Okay.
Balaha
Now
Akarantaha
let me tell you what it is. Bala, please, you have to write the
Balaha.
vachanam. We have to write the number of the following words. What vachanam is that you have to tell. Okay.
Yes. Balaha Bahuvachanam.
Good.
Shivaha Ekavachanam. Nardeshwaraha is Bahuvachanam.
Read properly. What is that word? What is this word?
Narmadeshwara. Narmadeshwaraha.
Narmadeshwaraha. You have to read Narmadeshwara. You didn't read that Narmada properly. Okay. What vachanam is it?
Yes. Bahuvachanam. Trayambakau. Dvivachanam. And the fifth one is
Next person.
oh sorry.
Yes, Guruji. Vighna Rajaha is a ekvachanam.
Ekavachanam, not ekvachanam.
Ekavachanam. Mrityunjayaha ekavachanam. Vanarau dvivachanam. Darpanaha bahuvachanam.
Next person. Arunji, you can read.
Rudrabhishekah.
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 Still, you people have to improve your reading. You are not practicing anything.
Rudrabhishekah. Ekvachanah.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam. Vishveshwarah. Bahuvachanam. Vinayako. Dvivachanam. Vakratundah. Ekvachanam.
Next person.
Nilkantha.
Okay. Next person again, Priyaji. You can read the next one.
Yes, ji. Neelakantah Ekavachanam. Rudraha Bahuvachanam. Vigna Vinayah. Vigna Vinayah. Ji.
Read the word again.
Vidya Vinayah.
That is Vigna Vinayaka.
Sorry, ji.
Vinayaka, the word itself is not there.
Sorry. Ekavachanam. Paragaha. 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 Bahuvachanam.
Yes, next person. Subbalakshmi ji.
अनीश्वरः एकवचनं भीमौ द्विवचनं
That's all. This is only an introduction. About this we will see later. The next thing. Let us learn the following few singular pronouns. I am means this. I am is this. This also, the word, the pronoun I am, meaning this, is Pratmabhakti Ekavachanam. It means it has got Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam also is there. What are they? We will see later. Don't worry. Just know this. I am meaning this. I am is a namapadam. It is a noun form. I am meaning this. Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. What is its pratipadika? What are other vachanam? We will see later. Don't worry about it now. Just know the meaning of the word I am. Similarly, yeshaha also this. Yeshaha meaning this. This also we will see. Just know the meaning. Both meaning this only. Yeshaha, I am. What is the difference? That and all we will see later. Saha, saha meaning that. So, I am Yeshaha and Saha. These are all are Pullinga words. Okay, remember. These are Pullinga forms. I am Yeshaha, Saha. I am Rama when you say. This is Rama. What is the meaning? I am Rama. Yeshaha Rama. This is Rama. Saha Rama. That is Rama. I am Arjuna. This is Arjuna. Yesha Arjuna. This is Arjuna. Saha Arjuna. That is Arjuna. Iti. Okay. Then, this is what is given here. Now you can read. Subhalakshmi. These all 4 sentences, please read.
I am Ramaka.
What is the meaning?
This is Rama,
I am is this. Rama is the person.
name of a person.
I am Rama is this is Rama. Okay.
I am Balakaha. This is a boy. I am Vanaraha. This is a monkey. I am Mayuraha. This is a peacock.
Yes. So here this I am Vanara when you say I am means this. Vanara is how many monkeys? Only one. So therefore this is a monkey. In English, a monkey is there, a boy is there. In Sanskritam, you don't have to say because the Vachanam is already is there in the noun form. Balaka is single. Therefore, it is one by one. Therefore, it is understood. A boy. And this is there. Sanskrit. Don't try to literally, translate or understand. I am means this. Rama is Rama. So this is Rama. That is what it means. Where is the Kriya Padam? What is the equivalent for this and all? We will see that later. Don't worry. Now you must just understand I am Rama means this is Rama. That is the meaning. This is only an introduction, okay? We are not going to see this now. This is only an introduction to make you familiar. Now I am Eshaha Saha, you know. Now write sentences using the pronouns. I am Eshaha Saha and the following nouns. I'll do one example. The example is given. Give Rama Shabda. Say I am Rama. Eshaha Rama. Saha Rama. Right? Subhalakshmi, you can read. I am Rama is this is Rama. Rama is this is Rama. Saha Rama is that is Rama. Okay, the same way you can read for these words, these sentences.
I am Balakaha. This is a boy. I am Balakaha. Sa Balakaha.
All are ekavachanam only. I am Balakaha.
This is a boy.
Balakaha.
Sa Balakaha.
Saha Balakaha, not sa.
Saha Balakaha. That is a boy.
Yes.
I am Vanaraha. This is a monkey. Saha Vanaraha. That is a monkey.
Yeshaha Vanaraha. Also, this is a monkey. Remember the 3 words. I am Yeshaha Saha. Next sentence.
I am Mayuraha. This is a peacock. Yeshaka Mayuraha. This is a peacock. Saha Mayuraha. That is a peacock.
Okay. For this. Starting with you. better. Okay, next person. Prabhakar, you can read.
Yes, Guruji. Bala. I am Bala.
I am
I am Balaha.
Allah. I understand. Allah.
Balaha. Eshaha Balaha. Saha Balaha. Shiva. I am Shivaha. Eshaha Shivaha. Saha Shivaha. Narmadeshvara. I am Narmadeshvaraha. Eshaha Narmadeshvaraha. Saha Narmadeshvaraha.
Good. Now, Akash.
Yes, Guruji.
Next three.
I am Triambakaha. Eshaha Triambakaha. Saha Triambakaha. I am Vignarajaha. Eshaha Vignarajaha. Saha Vignarajaha. I am Mrityunjayaha. Eshaha Mrityunjayaha. Saha Mrityunjayaha.
Next person. Deepika ji.
Ji Guruji. Vanara. Ayam Vanarah. Ayam Vanarah. Eshaha Vanarah. Saha Vanarah. Darpana. Ayam Darpanah. Eshaha Darpanah. Saha Darpanah. Rudrabhishek. Ayam Rudrabhishekah. Esha Rudrabhishekah. Eshaha Rudrabhishekah. Saha Rudrabhishekah.
Next person.
Vishveshwara. Ayam Vishveshwarah. Eshaha Vishveshwarah. Saha Vishveshwarah. Vinayaka. Ayam Vinayakah. Eshaha Vinayakah. Saha Vinayakah. Vakratunda. Ayam Vakratunda. Eshaha Vakratundah. Saha Vakratundah. Nilkantah.
You can
Ayam
read.
Jimmy ji.
Yeah, yes.
Yes. Ayam Neelakantaha. Saha. Eshaha Neelakantaha. Saha Neelakantaha. Ayam Rudraha. Eshaha Rudraha. Saha Rudraha. Vidyavinayah. Ayam Vidyavinayah. Eshaha. Correct. Eshaha Vidyavinayah. Saha Vidyavinayah.
Lakshmi ji.
Ayam Bharakaha.
Paragah.
Parakaha. Eshaka Parakaha. Saha Parakaha. Anishwara. Ayam Anishwaraka. Eshaka Anishwaraka. Saha Anishwaraka. Ayam Bhimaka. Eshaka Bhimaka. Saha Bhimaka.
Paragah. Paragah. The pronunciation knows Esha. Paragah. Then the next one. Next person. Is Pratibha ji. Here you can see, given the sentences here, I am Rama. I am is one man. One man means Pratama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Rama is one man. Pratama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. I am Rama means this is Rama. I am Acharya. Acharya is teacher. Acharya is like Rama Shabda. Acharya, Acharya. Acharya. Ayam is one, Acharya also one. So remember, when you use a pronoun, the pronoun is ayam, qualifying the noun Rama. It has to match in vibhakti and vachanam. Both has to be in one. One is Pratama vibhakti. The denominator is vachanam. So it has to be Pratama vibhakti, ekavachanam, both. You cannot say I am Ramo. You cannot say. It's a mistake. Why Ramo is what vachanam?
Dvivachan.
Dvivachanam. I am is ekavachanam.
Ekvachan.
It's a mistake. It doesn't tally. It's I am means this. This is ekavachanam. Ramo is dvivachanam. It's a mistake. So you have to say Ramaha, or you have to make I am into dvivachanam. That form we don't know. We will see that later. Okay. So this is important to be remembered. You should not say I am Ramo. You should not say I am Ramaha. That is wrong. Mistake. It's a mistake. I am Ramaha. Okay. No. You can read 4 sentences.
I am Ramaha. I am Acharyaha. I am Putraha. Eshaha Ramaha.
Yes. This person, Sangaveji, you can read the next. 4.
Yeshah Acharyah.
What is the meaning?
Guruji,
What is the meaning? Eshaha Acharya.
this is teacher.
Yes, this is a teacher. Okay.
Yeshah Putraha. This is son.
This is a son. Okay.
This is a son. Saha Ramaha. That is Rama.
Yeah, good. Okay.
Ramaha Patati.
Patati, now suddenly I introduce Kriya Padam. Patati is reads. Patati is a verbal form. Kriya Padam. Ramaha Patati. Rama reads. Okay. Just know the form. Okay. Ramaha Patati. Patati also, it is also Ekavachanam. Ramaha, the one who reads, that is also Ekavachanam. So it is fine. Both should be in Ekavachanam. You should not say Ramau Patati. That's a mistake. Because Patati is Kriya Padam, whose Vachanam is Ekavachanam. Singular. So let's say Ekavachanam means in Patati, it will have Dvivachanam form, Bhagavachanam, and all those forms will be there. That we will see later. Okay. Now just be familiar with the words. Patati means reads, which is Ekavachanam. And denoting the Karta. Who is the Karta? Who is the doer of this reading action? Rama. Patati is in Ekavachanam. Therefore, Rama must also be in Ekavachanam. We cannot say Ramo Patati. That is wrong. What should not we do? I am saying, so that you know what should be. So Rama Patati. It's a sentence. Rama reads. Now read the following simple sentences. Identify the nouns and the verbs. So, Patati is a verb. Rama is a noun. Okay. Please read.
Guruji, me.
Yes, yes.
Ashaukah. Ashaukah
Ashoka.
Patati. Ashaukah Patati.
Ashoka, not Ashoka. Ashoka. In Ashoka.
Ashoka. Sorry, Guruji. Ashokah Patati. Ashoka reads. Here,
Yes.
Ashoka is the noun and Patati is the verbal form.
Good.
Rameshah Namati. Ramesh salutes. Ramesh is the noun and Namati is the verbal form. Ramanah Gachati. Ramana goes. Ramana is the noun and goes. Gachati is the verbal form. Balah Dhavati. Boy runs. Balah is the noun and Dhavati is the verbal form.
Good. Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
The same way. You have to fill up this. You have read the sentence, previous sentence, then try to write a sentence using this teacher talks. The word for teacher is adhyapaka. Talks is vada. Now, you try to form a sentence using the noun and the verb.
Okay. So first one is Adhyapakah Vadati.
Very good, yes.
Vadati is okay. But Vadati is what, Guruji? Vadati is talks, okay.
Noun form.
Talks. Now,
Verbal form. Adhyapaka.
okay, verbal form for Kriyapadam for Vadati talks, okay. Gajaha Chalati. So elephant moves. Chalati is the Kriyapadam.
Next person. Of course, yes.
Yes, Guru.
Guruji,
Of course, yeah.
Simha.
Of course, you will read and you can read. Yeah. Of course, read.
Simha. Simhaha. Garjati. The lion roars. The Simhaha is the noun, and the Garjati is the verbal form.
Verbal form. Noun. Sorry,
Yes.
the verb. Yeah. The noun is simha. Okay. Continue.
Simhaha. Yes. The next is Balaha. Ridati. The boy plays, where the Balaha is the noun, and the Ridati is the verbal form.
Next person.
Verb, the verb.
Ramaha khadati. Rama eats.
Yeah. Rama eats.
Rama is noun form and khadati is a verbal form.
Okay.
Naraha atati. Human atati means what?
Wandering. It's given. The meaning is given. Moving around. Roaming. Wandering.
Wanders. Human man wanders. Naraha is a noun form and atati is a verbal form.
So now you know the sentence how the Kriya Padam would be. It will be
Yes.
Vadati, Chalati, Garjati, Patati, Kadati, Kridati. That is
Yes.
Similarly, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana form will be different. That is for the first person. Similarly, for the second person and for the third person. This is for the okay. This is for the third person. Okay, that's already I told you. Okay. So this is for the third person. Vadati, Chalati, Garjati is third person. Third person in English is called first person. I mean, Pratama Purusha, not first person. Pratama Purusha in Sanskritam. Please note that. Madhyama Purusha is Madhyama Purusha, second person. Uttama Purusha is first person. So this is third person. We are doing third person. So similarly we have second person, first person forms will be there. Those Kriya Padam forms we will see later. So you know how the Kriya Padam would be in a sentence. You can identify. Simple. Pratama Purusha, Vadati, Vadataha, Vadati, Chalati, Garjati, Kridati, Kadati, Atati. These forms, if it is there, understand it is Kriya Padam. And nouns, of course, you know the names, the subject. Okay, now the next topic. Next topic is Akaranta Shabda. Akaranta Rama Shabda we have seen. Now we are going to see the declension of Ikaranta Shabda. That is Hari Shabda. Taking Hari as an example, its declension would be Hari we know. Ikaranta Pullingaha Hari Shabda. Its declension is Harihi Hari, Hariha. This you need to memorize. Harihi is singular. Hari is dual. Hariha is plural. So Pratipadikam is Hari. So you can see Pratipadikam being Hari. Last letter E is replaced by E. So Harihi. Similarly, Dvivachanam, last letter E is replaced by E. Therefore Hari. And in Bhagavachanam, last letter is replaced by Ayaha. Therefore Harayaha. That is what we here can see. Harihi, if you do the Varna Vicheda, Hakara plus Hakara, then Depa plus E. In Ekavachanam, this E, which is marked in red color, replaced by E. E becomes. So, Hakara plus Ha is Ha. Depa plus E is Harihi. So, Harihi, that is the form of Ekavachanam. Ekavachana form. Similarly, Dvivachanam. Hakara plus Ha. Depa plus E is Ika, which is in red color, replaced by E, the long vowel E. So Hakara plus Ha, Depa plus E becomes E. Depa plus E becomes Hari. Therefore, you have Hari. That is the Dvivachana form dual. And in Bhagavachanam, Hakara plus Ha, then Depa plus E. This last letter E is replaced by Ayaha. Please note Ayaha. So what happens now? Hakara plus Ha. Depa plus Ayaha becomes Ayaha. So if Hari becomes Harihi, Hari, Hariha, what about the other Shabdas? You can read now. Of course, you start from here again. Please read. And describe and declare.
Prathama.
Yeah. Is, of course, you read.
इकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः कविशब्दः कविः कवि कवयः इकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः मुनिः शब्दः मुनिः मुनि मुनयः.
Next person, Deepika ji. Next to
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः ऋषि शब्दः ऋषि ऋषि ऋषयः
Rishihi, Rishi, Rishi.
ऋषिः ऋषि ऋषयः इकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः रवि.
Karantaha. We are dropping Visarga.
Oh, sorry. इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रवि शब्दः रविः रवि रवयः.
Next person, Parulji. Only 2 words you read.
Yes.
Each one of it. 2 words.
Ikarantah, Ariha, Ari, Arayah, Ikarantah.
Yeah, okay, this is reading. Okay.
Huh?
You understand the difference between this Hari and this Hari. That
Hari, that is her. Hari.
Hari, and please listen. Lord Vishnu. And we say Hari with the vowel A, that means enemy. So therefore you have to say, pronounce properly. Harihi,
Hari,
Harihi. That makes a difference.
Arihi,
See, you have to listen, Parul, you are not listening. You keep talking your name talking, then how will you understand? Just listen and then you can read.
Okay.
Difference between I'm saying Harihi and Harihi. If you pronounce wrongly, the meaning becomes different. Harihi is Vishnu. If you say Harihi, it becomes enemy. So the pronunciation is very important. Okay, read.
Ikarantah, Pullingah, Ariha, Shabdah.
Hariha, Harihi.
Ariha, Ariha, Shabdah.
Harihi.
Arihi.
Sorry,
Arihi.
Akara. Harihi.
Arihi. Ari, Arayah,
Yes.
Ikarantah, Pullingah, Agnih, Shabdah,
Not Agniha Shabda. Agni Shabda.
Agnih, Shabdah,
Agni Shabda. I think what
Agni,
I don't know.
Agni, Shabdah, Agni, Agnyayah.
Okay, next one.
Ikarant.
You can please read. Same Agni, the same Agni, start from there. Yes, who is that? Please read again, Priya.
Yes,
Oh,
ji.
okay.
इकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः अग्नि शब्दः अग्निः अग्नि अग्नयः इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः अतिथि शब्दः अतिथिः अतिथि अतिथयः.
Okay. Now, Umaji, you can read. I called your name, you didn't respond. That's why let's keep it. Okay.
Sorry, Guruji. इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः निधि शब्दः निधिः निधि निधयः इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः ध्वनिः शब्दः ध्वनिः ध्वनि ध्वनयः इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः क्लानिः शब्दः
Glani Shabda.
क्लानि शब्दः क्लानिः क्लानयः.
So understand the forms of the form of the Shabda takes. So Hari Shabda, if you remember, all the Shabdas we can easily decline for its first case. Being ending with E. Hari, Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. Then Kavihi, Kavi, Kavayaha. Munihi, Muni, Munayaha. Rishihi, Rishi, Rishiyaha. Ravihi, Ravi, Ravayaha. Adihi, Adi, Adayaha. With this Ari and that Hari that we have to pronounce properly. One is a consonant, one is a vowel. Okay, now the next one. Riktasthanani for letter. Sublakshmaji. Fill in the blanks. Like what we did for the previous one. Shabda same way. So you can do. Sublakshmaji.
कपि कपि इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः कपि शब्दः कपिः कपिः कपि कपयः गिरिः गिरि इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गिरिशब्दः गिरिः गिरि गिरयः
Continue.
राशय राशय इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः राशय शब्दः राशय
When you say Rashaya ending with what sound? What vowel? A sound means Akaranta. It is not
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः
How can be Akaranta? We are not reading Akaranta now. Rashaya. It means it is not Rashaya. It is wrong. Kapayaha becomes Kapi. Rashayaha will become what?
राशि
Rashi.
Rashihi.
Not Rashi. Rashi is there. Rashi is also is a Dvivachanam. Therefore, it must be Rashi. It must be Rashi. Ikaranta. Ikarantaha.
पुल्लिङ्गः राशि शब्दः
Yes.
राशि राशिः राशि राशाय राशायः
Rashayaha. You read correctly in the beginning.
राशयः
Rashaya.
राशयः पाणि इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पाणिशब्दः पाणिः पाणि पाणियः
Can be Paniyaha. Hari becomes Harayaha. Pani will become the letter, the last letter E by Ayaha.
Paniyah.
How will he will come? They are replacing the ikara by ayaha. That is what I explained in the beginning. You can see. Hari becomes ayaha. The letter E, the last letter E in Bhagavachanam replaced by ayaha becomes ayaha. So Pani will become what?
Panayaka.
Paneyaha. Right? Not Paniyaha.
Yes.
Next one.
Me, Guruji.
Yeah, read the next one. Yes.
Brihaspati.
Brihaspati, not Brihaspati. Brihaspati.
Brihaspati. Ikarantaha pullingaha Brihaspati Shabdaka. Brihaspatihi. Brihaspati. Brihaspatayaha.
Brihaspatayaha. Good. Next person. Sangaviji. You can read it next.
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः उदधि शब्दः उदधिः उदधी उददयः इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः अञ्जलि शब्दः अञ्जलिः अञ्जली अञ्जलयः इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः दिथि शब्दः दितिः दिथि दित दित दिततयः
How can it be ta, yaha? Fourth ta will come.
दित
Two tas will come. Extra two.
दितयः sorry जी दितयः is that correct जी
Itayaha. Yes.
दितयः okay इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः निशापति शब्द निशापतिः निशापति निशापतयः इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः मारुति शब्दः मारुतिः मारुति मारुतयः.
Good. After that, say when you say Maruti, Maruti is Dvivachanam.
Okay.
We have to make out the Pratipadikam. Maruti anyway is given here.
Yes,
it will be Maruti. Bhagavachanam is Marutayaha. Okay. So similarly, Tithi is Dvivachanam. Tithi means the date. You say Tithi. Tithi. So Tithi is Ikara is the ending. It doesn't mean Ikaranta Srilinga. Tithi is this Dvivachanam. Dvivachanam of Tithi. Tithi. So Tithihi, Tithi, Titayaha. Okay, the next one. Sarlakaji.
Yes, Guruji. Ikarantah pullingah varuni shabdah varunihi varuni. Oh,
Yeah.
varuni. Okay, Guruji. Varuni varunayah. Ikarantah pullingah saumitri shabdah saumitrihi saumitri saumitriyaha.
Saumitriyaha will not come.
Saumitrayaha.
Saumitrayaha. He is replaced by Ayaha.
Yes, Ayaha. Sorry, Guruji. Dashariti. Ikarantah pullingah
Dasharati. Read it properly.
Dasharati.
Dasharati.
Ikarantah pullingah Dasharati shabdah Dasharatihi Dasharati Dasharatayaha.
Yes.
Shani shabdah Ikarantah pullingah Shani shabdah Shanihi Shani Shanayaha.
Good. Next person. Last one is this. Sangvaji can read. Sangvaji. Last person is Kosh. Left out there.
Ikarantaha pullingaha bali shabdaha balihi bali balayaha.
So with this, I think Ikaranta is more exercises, sir. You please take this as homework and you write it. So the Tanam Pullinga Shabdanam, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam, Chalikata. All these words we take it. You can write the forms of these words. You can write the forms of these words. Upadi, Upadihi, Upadi, Upadayah. Sandhi, Sandhihi, Sandhi, Sandhyaha. Pani, 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 Panyaha. Okay. You can do other class will start. Okay, first quickly can do it. Just do the declension. Yes, you can complete this exercise in itself. Please read Aposhi.
Yes.
You have to read quickly.
Ikarantaha pullingaha.
Not required. Just
Upadi.
do the declension alone. It's enough.
Okay. Upadihi. Upadi. Upadayaha.
Quickly, next one.
Sandhihi. Sandhi. Sandayaha. Panihi. Pani. Panayaha.
Good.
Vidhi. Vididhi. Vididihi.
Vidihi, not Vidihi.
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 Vidihi. Vidayaha. Panini. Hi. Panini. Panayaha.
Pani Nayaha. Only the last letter is replaced
Yes.
by Ayaha.
Paninayaha.
Only the last letter is replaced by Ayaha. Therefore, Pani Nayaha. It will become next person. Deepikaji.
Ahihi, ahi, aya, ahayaha.
Good.
Asihi, asi, asayaha. Balihi, bali, balayaha. Jaladhi, jaladhihi, jaladhi, jaladhayaha. Anjalihi, anjali, anjalayaha.
Anjalayaha. Next person.
Vihi, vihihi, vihaya, vihaya, vahi,
not Vahi, Vanni.
vahinaha,
Not Vahinaha, Vannihi,
vannahi,
Vannayaha.
vannahi,
Vanhani. Difficult. Okay, one. It is Vanni. You have to read properly. Vannihi, Vanni, Vannaha. Can be the next one.
dasharathiha,
Not Dasarathi, Dasarathi.
dasharathiha,
Dasharathihi, not Dasarathiha.
Dasharathi, Bahu Ekavachan. Array, Dvivachan and Bahuvachan is Dasharathaya. Atriha,
Dasharathihi, Dasharathi, Dasharathaya.
Rathaya.
This guy, you cannot drop it.
Dasharathiya, Dasharathi, Dasharathaya. Atriha, Atri, Atraya. Shripatiha, Shripati, Shripatayaha.
Okay, for others, the reading is not correct. It is Dasharathihi, Dasharathi, Dasharathaya. That's correct. Atrihi, Atri, Atrayaha. Shripatihi, Shripati, Shripatayaha. Parulji, you have to correct. If you are not correcting, you will keep on reading the same way. It's a mistake. Anyway, up to you. Next person. Umarji, please read.
Yes, Guruji.
Please read. I'm not the pickle.
Yati,
Yatihi.
yatihi,
Yatihi, Yati, Yatayaha. Like Ari Shabda only. Right?
yati, yatihi, yatayaha. Senapati, Senapati.
Bhupati. One more word is there. Bhupati.
Okay. Bhupati, Bhupati, Bhupatayaha.
Bhupatihi. It's not Bhupati. Bhupatihi, Bhupati, Bhupatayaha.
भूपति भूपति भूपतयः
Bhupatihi. I'm not hearing the Visarga sound. Anyway, continue.
सेनापतिः सेनापति सेनापतयः नृपति नृपतिः नृपति नृपतयः कलि कलिः कलि कलयः
Next person. Again, play.
Yes, Ji. नाभिः नाभि नाभयः योनिः योनिः योनि योनयः मणिः मणि मणयः यजिः यजि यजयः पयोधिः पयोधि पयोदयः
प्रजापतिः प्रजापति प्रजापतः पतयः सारथिः सारथि सारदयः
Not Dayaha, it's Sarathi. It is Mahaprana. This word. It's not Saradhi, it is Sarathi.
सारथि
Sarathi, Sarathaya.
सारथि सारथयः समाधि समाधिः समाधि समादयः मौलि मौलिः मौलि मौलयः अराति अरातिः अराति अरातयः
Okay, next person. Sanghamiji.
कृमिः कृमि कृमयः
Krimi is
कुक्षिः
germ.
जी
Germ, corona germ and all. This Krimi. Virus, Krimi.
ओके ओके जी
Yeah.
कुक्षिः कुक्षि कुक्षयः अब्धि अब्धिः अब्धि अब्दयः मारुतिः मारुति मारुतयः मुशुण्डी मुशुण्डिः मुशुण्डी मुशुण्डयः अद्रिः अद्रि अद्रयः
Bakaji.
Yes, Guruji. Vipanihi, Vipani, Vipanayah. Maukuli, Maukulihi, Maukuli, Maukulayah. Viranchi,
Virinchi.
Virinchi. Sorry, Guruji. Virinchihi, Virinchi, Viranjayah. Sapti, Shaptihi, Shapti, Shaptayah.
Okay, we can stop here because the meeting will automatically end if we don't stop now. So we will see tomorrow. Please go through the lesson. You have to practice. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo
Namaha.
Harihi Om. Please go through the lessons. You have to practice.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Namaste Guruji.
Namaste, Guruji.
Thank you, Guruji.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी
धन्यवाद.